My Stone Age self finally started social media. Why? Because for the longest time I could not service people properly, nor did I want to build an audience of people that would call for help that could not afford our high-end services, and we both would feel bad. The vast majority of our referrals come from CPAs, certified financial planners, attorneys, agents, high-end auto dealerships, etc., and most of their referrals can afford us. So why the change? Why? Because we have revamped. We have added do-it-yourself e-courses, ebooks, specialized modules, and added a lot of other programs for those who are struggling financially, who are committed and want to have great credit or reduce their debt. A wonderful chance to get back on the right track. By the way, for the do-it-yourself people, our e-courses are not only superb, they have Q&A at the end of each module. They have case studies, they have case logs, we have videos, we have unlimited chat support. The real question is how determined are you? How serious are you about your credit and debt? Our e-courses are the best in the country for credit repair and debt settlement. We no longer just service high-end clientele in-house. We added in-depth and strong tactic do-it-yourself e-courses, also ebooks with specialized modules. You can get $10,000 worth of credit repair for a small percentage of that amount. Get yourself $200,000 in available credit or more by having great credit. You can save $20,000, $200,000 in debt settlement savings. If you save $100,000 or more in your debt savings, how do you want to invest that extra money? You want to have depth of vision. You want to see your purpose. You want to plan your future. This is your future. It's still better to arrive late than not at all. If you're not controlling your credit and your debt, then you are being controlled by it.
For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel